I'll just choose this one. I'll just choose this one. Don't forget your...
Sure.
Remember, what was it?
All right.
First
I'm going to shake it up a little.
I'm so excited today because today is our annual Heart and Circulation Day presented by Ochsner Health. We have over 200 kids registered, and they're here today dissecting sheep hearts. They're experiencing the heart through virtual reality. They're looking at the 3D printed model of the heart. I'm also excited because we have today here with us guests from the University of Minnesota Institute for Engineering and Medicine, but also the visualization lab. Our kids are actually going to stand inside of the heart with augmented and virtual reality and be able to touch and feel the circulatory system. So they're going to experience the heart and the circulatory system from a science, technology, engineering, and mathematical lens.
You guys get to see those pacemakers? This is those leadless ones, how small they really are. And that battery lasts for 16 years. And you know, you can see the little tines on there. You're putting that where? In the right ventricle.
You know, being the director of the Office of Workforce Development, STEM is our future, right? It creates opportunities for our people to have, to segue into high-wage, high-demand jobs so that they can live, work, and play in our beautiful city.
I could behave.
Yeah, it works.
Like 2 seconds.
You can hear it.
Heart is the size of your fist.
Education and biology are important because they walk around and live with it every day, particularly heart education. A lot of things happen to adults that no one explains to the kids. Someone has a heart attack, someone has a stroke, they might have a cerebrovascular event that's caused by the heart. What is that? The heart is the essential organ in the body, and when it stops beating, it's serious. A lot of times, of course, sometimes we save people, sometimes they die. For kids to know the basics earliest on, they can do the most to help not only themselves live healthy, heart-healthy lives, but their families. And it makes them feel really smart, and it makes them feel like hope makes us feel like possibly one day they'll want to learn and make a difference in their community by teaching people how to protect their most valuable asset, their actual heart, using their compassionate heart.
Okay, so right now we have some 3D printers going that are printing these little hearts right now out of PLA plastic. We also have them taking home these 3D printed hearts that were printed with a powder bed fusion type of deal.
Well, we're coming to see how an entire community comes together to support STEM education. At University of Minnesota, also in the Twin Cities, we have a lot of people who are interested in supporting STEM for K-12 students and their families, but we haven't necessarily come together like this as a whole community willing to share our resources, our energy around supporting STEM.
It's important for people to support STEM Nola because it's an investment in our kids. Where else would you have 200 kids to show up on a Saturday? I think that the kids are certainly interested to take time from their day to come out to an event like this. So it's imperative that people like me come out and cultivate those kids' interest.
Let's do this stethoscope activity what the doctors do.
The interaction is amazing. It's hands-on. At every step of the way, there's someone there to attend to the kids, and it's amazing just to see.
I made a model of a heart.
At the beginning of the cycle, it starts at the right atrium. Then, as it goes, then the deoxygenated blood from the right atrium goes to the right ventricle. Then it has to go get oxygenated, and so it goes to the lungs to do that. Afterwards, it comes back into the left atrium. After it goes to the left atrium, it goes to the left ventricle. After it arrives at the left ventricle, it has to be deoxygenated once more, and after it does that, it goes back to the right atrium, starting the process once more.